Evening, everyone. So today we all have gathered on this night for our group discussion, and our today's topic is the lessons we got from COVID-19. I request you all to first of all introduce yourself, and then you may start with your discussions.
Hello everyone, myself Sonam. Today I'm here to be the part of this GD on the topic lessons we have learned from the COVID pandemic.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aman Verma, currently pursuing second year in the CSE stream, and today I am here to present my views on the topic lessons learned from the COVID-19.
Hello everyone, this is Sachin in front of you. Currently, I am doing my BTech from Guru Jambeswar University. Today, we are here together to discuss on a topic that what we have learned from COVID-19 impact.
Now I request you all to start your discussion by quoting your points.
Hello, I want to start this GD. First of all, I want to say that COVID pandemic has shown us how much freedom is important for us. We are under lockdown for so many months, and we have it has shown us the value of the individuals like our family, friends, how much we miss them in these lockdown days, and still we are having this online system. However, pandemic is not too much on its peak now, but still it is the system is online still, and it has also shown how much it is important that the health agencies of each country should be adequately developed so that they can face such COVID pandemic challenges.
First of all, it has exposed the entire system of healthcare and what the administration has told about the system, that it is adequate and our system is sufficient. Our doctors are adequate in number and many other things. But COVID-19 has totally exposed those promises and opinions. But also, it gives a pause for the entire world to take a wide decision for their future ahead. And also, it has understood many people that our financial health is always inferior than our physical health and mental perspectives. So that's what I have. That's all from my side.
The best thing is that we now target on our physical health. Like before, we eat junk food or fast food. Now we are using to eat sattvic bhojan. We don't try much more. We now more concentrate on yogas and our physical health also. The best thing is this, that we now actually we now target on our physical education. And another more thing is that how we adopt that digitalization. Like almost everything is on digital, like banking, education, servicing, and much more. So this is the best thing that coronavirus.
The main
And I
thing
want
that
to say एंड आई वांट टू से दैट ये हमें मतलब अपने फ्यूचर में लेके गया है
You are not audible.
सॉरी वो कॉल आ गया था मैं ये बोलना चाहती थी ऑडिबल है ना
Yeah, clear now.
मैं ये बोलना चाहती थी कि ये हमें अपने फ्यूचर में लेके गया है जैसे मतलब हम बात करते थे कि बच्चे लैपटॉप पे पढ़ेंगे बुक्स वगैरह कुछ नहीं होगा ये हमें सोचते थे कि कहीं 2050 कोविड पैंडेमिक ने, तो मतलब ये चीजें काफी अच्छा लगता है ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी देख के।
The main thing that the COVID pandemic taught us the actual value of money and the value of health. Like it actually taught the importance of investing and savings also. And also the health benefit also taught us to take care of our health also.
Yes, we are now more focusing on investing money in stock market, and we are now get a focus on more than one income. Like everyone is trying to get income from different sources. This is also a real best thing.
Due to pandemic,
Yeah,
the technology actually enhanced and it actually made people to make ways of passive incomes for their life rather than only active income.
but it also reveals some evil minds that many people are collecting vaccine jabs and collecting over utilizing things that should not be, because due to this attitude many people have suffered and could not get the right things at the right time. Like you can say about the oxygen cylinders, many were black marketing it and storing it in their houses, collecting it and then selling it for higher prices. Same with the other antiviral drugs, like I think there was an American jab for viral, some viral fever which was being black marketed.
यस
Also it
अमन, यू
reveal,
आर राइट। वेरी मतलब ब्लैक मार्केटिंग इतना बढ़ गया था। रेमडेसिविर लाइक वैक्सीन, ये इतने मतलब इतने महंगे हो चुके थे जो कि नॉर्मली काफी कम रेट पर मिलते हैं। बहुत ज्यादा ब्लैक मार्केटिंग तो बढ़ गया था।
Another good thing is that we become self-dependent. Like before COVID-19 pandemic, almost 50 or 60% raw material we import from China, or almost all world import from China. But as import duties and restrictions are there, so we don't import much more. So now we are trying to developing that raw material in our country. We are going forward for
self-sufficiency.
Atmanirbhar Bharat. Atmanirbhar Bharat. We are going forward in Atmanirbhar Bharat. That's it.
Yeah, self-sufficiency is very important and correct right nowadays, because you could not be dependent on others for so much of vaccines. Suppose if we have not our own indigenous vaccines like Covaxin and that produced by Bharat Pharmaceuticals, then we have to depend on others, and we could not even achieve 10 crore doses right now if we were dependent on others. And also we have to utilize our various resources for this purchasing from foreign countries, and they could control our various control our like you can say that they can pressurize us for several diplomatic topics, like uh, in G20 and other various world conferences where world leaders met.
COVID-19 actually made people self-dependent. Some may start, as many people lost their jobs in the pandemic, and some started their business and some become self-employed by selling small things or online things or giving making courses on online. It actually made people self-dependent. But a lot of people are there who actually lost their job but were unable to start anything. So it has both the negative and positive sides also.
Yeah, for a new change, you have to bring a new transition. There's a transition phase that we have seen in the Great Depression, and now the world is saying that it's the great, you can say what, resignation era, where people are resigning their jobs and starting their own businesses and startups and providing jobs to others also.
Yes, it has created options that we can have everything online. These days मतलब सब कुछ ही ऑनलाइन हो रहा है, तो हमारे पास ऑप्शन हो गया अब तो। मतलब कोविड पैंडेमिक के बाद हम ज्यादा ग्रो कर पाएंगे क्योंकि हमारे पास ऑप्शन है। अगर ऑफलाइन पॉसिबल नहीं है तो हम ऑनलाइन भी कर सकते हैं.
Also, it has revealed that the world organizations like UN and WHO are somewhat not very doing their jobs right. If you will study about the reports regarding COVID-19, you can find that very easily. WHO suggested that you can travel all across the world. There is no human-to-human transmission. So how can a world WHO like agency can approve that you can travel to any country without any restrictions? And that had travel restrictions were not going through from the first 2 months of the COVID-19 exposure. So that was a really uh, I could say gigantic of blunder to the humankind, and WHO should not be uh, easily can escape through it.
COVID-19 actually taught us to adjust to things. Instead of making excuses, it actually like the online system, and it gave a huge boom to technological sector, which the technological sector haven't seen from the last few years. Like for example, we know Elon Musk, the net worth he grew in the last 9 months is more than the Warren Buffett's net worth that he made in 91 years due to the technological sector only.
यस, और भारत टेक्नोलॉजी सेक्टर में बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, लगभग ये हॉट कंट्री में से बन गया है. और एंड अनदर थिंग इज दैट इट सपोर्ट्स वर्क फ्रॉम होम. We don't have to spend much more on our infrastructures and another things. We can spend more times with our families, and we can do much more.
It actually increased the productivity of people. Like they get a little bit more time to do other things or to improve their skills also. And they learned that the offline system was totally closed. So we actually shifted to the online system. That was an adjustment that the COVID-19 taught us. We need to adjust things.
Also, it has addressed that various futuristic problems like climate change. Many world leaders are not ignoring it this right time, and similarly, like complete blackout due to solar coronal discharge, as expected, say, by many scientists and theorists. But also, these biological phenomena can occur and could devastate the humankind. So the leaders of the country and other world conferences should address these things and have prepare for harsh conditions so that no one trouble that much as in the COVID-19 pandemic. Like there was a complete blackout in 1852 or so in New Jersey, where the complete electricity poles and lines were collapsed due to coronal discharge from the sun. And it is also expected that it could occur in the next 20 to 30 years. But if you ask any leaders regarding this, they will say that this is hypothetical, this can't happen. So COVID-19 pandemic, like things were also sometimes hypothetical, but it happened. So you should be prepared for these things, and people should start asking these questions from the leaders.
Also, it supports multitasking. We can have our classes as well as some online courses we can pursue. We can also do some income generating things, like we can do online marketing. So we can do multitasking. It helps, it supports multitasking.
During the lockdown, we actually saw the impact on the environment. The environment actually improved very much as we saw in the lockdown.
Yes, this is the best thing that I have saw. If there were no lockdown, that's our environment will go more bad. Now we are focusing much more on environment. Also, like we are focusing on e-vehicles. After COVID-19 impact, we are the बिक्री होती है इन इलेक्ट्रिकल व्हीकल्स की, वो बहुत ज्यादा हो गई है. और अब हम पर्यावरण पे भी कुछ अच्छा ध्यान दे रहे हैं। पहले जैसे पेट्रोल डीजल इनको ज्यादा स्पॉइल करते थे, प्रदूषण ज्यादा होता था, इससे बहुत ज्यादा राहत मिलेगी।
A government actually planned by 2030 that around 70% of cars on the road, cars or bikes, should be electric. It's the plan government had currently.
और अगर पेट्रोल का इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो उसमें 20 से 30% इथेनॉल का यूज करेंगे, जिससे प्रदूषण और ज्यादा कम हो जाएगा। ये भी अनाउंसमेंट की थी।
Basically, COVID-19 actually made people aware for the environment.
I think it shows us the value of those things which we don't value before that. It has
Yeah,
it has shown us how much we should value these things, the things around us.
it actually showed us the value of things that we took for granted. And now we actually care for them and actually saving or taking precautions to save them.
Also, it brought light into the new real heroes of the world. We have seen stars on the cinemas and theaters, and what real heroes are doing. For example, Sonu Sood, the actor, has tremendously supported the lab, migrant laborers and other workers who were far away from their homes, and made them to reach their homes with least efforts. So it has also brought in the new heroes, real superheroes of the world.
Yeah, actually, many people helped others on their end, how much they could do. They did their.
Another thing, we now focus on mental health also. Before COVID-19, nobody takes serious that this kind of illness occur in human body. Everybody make jokes that this is not anxiety, depression. What is this? This is not we have to take serious. But now everyone is taking serious, because a study said in America, approx 40% of people have faced these problems.
Yeah, earlier the people with primitive thinking said that depression and anxiety is nothing, it's just a state of mind or anything, just your madness. But actually, it is a serious issue which need to be taken care of. COVID-19 also taught us that to be prepared for the upcoming causes and upcoming pandemics also. Like those who didn't had any savings or anything, they now knew that they need to save their money or to invest their money to beat inflation, also to be future ready. Rather than just focusing on the present, we need to be ready for the future also.
Yes, you are right. As many people have lost their jobs in this COVID pandemic, just at the moment, they were like लॉकडाउन में सबके दुकानें शॉप भी बंद हो गए थे, तो एकदम से मतलब जो उनकी इनकम का ही सोर्स होता है उनके पास तो वही नहीं रहा। देन इट शोज कि हमारे पास सेकंड ऑप्शन जरूर होना चाहिए।
That's passive. It taught us about the passive income, to have sources of passive income. Like passive income means like active income is that you are working and getting paid. Passive income, you started something and either you are sleeping or doing anything, you are getting paid from that. And COVID-19 actually taught this thing that we should prepare or should have sources of passive income.
Also about the work-life balance, people have started thinking about their work-life balance. They want to give more time to their families and their personal health, and not want to earn much more than they want to, much more than they can utilize. Minimalism is the concept right now trending in the world, and everyone wants to live their life in the with the minimal resources that they can use.
Exactly.
Another sector in which
It actually taught us the power of investing. Like during the pandemic, many discount broker apps also appeared, which actually made people, like the earlier about 1% or 3% of Indians had demat account to invest in the stock market, but now the number has actually increased, and we know that FD and savings gave us around 2 to 4 to 5% maximum returns, but the average inflation is 6%. Means your actual money is getting depreciated if you are putting it only in the savings account or the FD. But you can actually invest your money to increase it or to beat inflation. That the COVID-19 taught us this thing and actually helped to make this thing easier. Age of investing was become easier by discount brokers, apps and sites.
yes, we are taking part in our economy build. पहले तो जैसे इस डरते थे इससे स्टॉक मार्केट का नाम लेने से, लेकिन अब इसमें इन्वेस्ट करने लग रहे हैं। और अनदर थिंग इज दैट इट आल्सो गिव ए बूम टू लाइफ इंश्योरेंस। जैसे इससे पहले 1 या 2% ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड इंश्योरेंस लेते थे, लेकिन अब देख लिया कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, तो इस कारण लगभग सभी अब लाइफ इंश्योरेंस लेने लग गए।
इम्पोर्टेंस समझ आए कि जरूरी चीज है, सिर्फ एक जगह रखने से पैसा कुछ नहीं होता। लाइफ इंश्योरेंस भी जरूरी है और इन्वेस्ट करना हर चीज जरूरी है।
Also, it has increased the kindness in people. They are starting doing social work more. They are realizing that it is also a source of happiness and satisfaction.
There's a lot of NGO that came forward, and NGO, some private organizations also, but private peoples to help people as they gone through the things that some people actually gone through all of their life. Like so many people lost their jobs, but there are many unemployed people that didn't get a job, and people realized what they are going through. It actually increased the kindness and humbleness in people.
It also taught us that no one is supreme than the nature. Nature is more powerful and strongest than everyone, and man, even with the even with his uh, heartliest efforts, can't beat nature and bring down into his fate. So what mankind has made understood that you have to love the nature and coordinate with it to for the survival, not to fight against it or try to bring it down into your fate.
It actually increased the feelings of unity and togetherness in people. Like alone we cannot beat the, or we can are not able to cope up with the COVID-19. But when the world came together and become unite, all tried to develop vaccines. Now we have actually took a little bit control over the COVID-19, not 100%, but actually apart from it.
Also, there is a serious concern regarding the what rules and regulations are made by the government. For example, many primary schools are undergoing, and our university is still not open. What is the thought behind this? I could not understand that, and can't know what is the reason behind.
That's actually a mystery.
Nation wants to know.
Especially JG students wants to know.
Actually, almost every government university, not only GJU.
I think NIFT and IITs are opening from the last of the November.
No,
So
NEET was
no
open for
notice was given.
practical for 20 days only.
एक चीज और
बट
है,
ऑल्सो
दिल्ली
वी आर
गवर्नमेंट
सीइंग, बट हम ये भी तो देख रहे हैं, हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट जैसे रक्षाबंधन पे फ्री बस चला देती है, तब तो कोविड-19 फैलता नहीं है।
इलेक्शंस के टाइम पे तो निकलता।
Yeah, if you will see any newspaper from Bihar, Jharkhand side or UP side, there's a lot of thousands of gathering at every rivers and ponds. And I especially have witnessed today, like I have visited the nearby pond tomorrow for the Chhat Puja. There was even no single person has masked himself or herself. So the people are not taking it much care of it, and there is a relentless nature, sheer negligence by the people, and the government is still thinking that there is COVID. And if there is COVID, then what are the vaccines use of? We have crossed 100 crores of vaccine, and I think that government should understand the real concern of the people.
COVID-19 actually taught us not to take odd things and small things for granted. But now we are actually taking it itself for granted. Not wearing masks, not following social distancing and other protocols. We think that it has gone, but it's still there and the third wave could arrive anytime.
One new modification in the genetic nature of the virus, and again the boom in the cases.
No one knows. But the main thing, we are taking this for granted. Do not wear masks in the outside and do not actually follow the social distancing. We can see rush and crowd gathering everywhere doing any Diwali or any festival. That
The case is not only about India Chhat Puja or Diwali celebration. Even you can see Halloween celebration all around the world.
almost every,
And now,
I am talking about every
yeah,
festival and occasion, even on Raksha Bandhan, Halloween, and anything in the whole world, not only about the Indian festivals.
आई एग्री दैट कोविड इज स्टिल देयर, बट मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि गवर्नमेंट को भी हमारी तरह दिखाना चाहिए। अगर वो भी अपनी रैली बंद कर सकती हैं तो हम ठीक है, हम भी घर पढ़ लेंगे। पर ये गलत है, वो अपना सब जैसे चल रहा था वैसे चला रहे हैं और हमें घर पे बैठने के लिए छोड़ रखा है।
नहीं, उनका तो
elections
अलग
can
खड़े
go.
हैं एक कोने में, बाकी लोग ही इकट्ठे
Elections
हैं
can
वहाँ।
go. Elections can go on. Every other rallies can go on, but only the universities should be shut down.
एक्चुअली दैट्स आवर माइंडसेट, क्योंकि जब वो खड़े होते हैं यहाँ पे, जो मेन लीडर वगैरह जो एक्चुअली पार्टी के हैं, वो एक तरफ ही खड़े होते हैं, बाकी लोग ही इकट्ठा होते हैं। अगर हम बाहर निकले तो हमारे लिए हानिकारक है, उनके लिए कुछ वो नहीं हो। उनको इस चीज से फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा। अगर ये है कि तुम रैली बंद करो तभी हम निकलना बंद करेंगे, वो अपने लिए ही खराब हुआ ना
But
फिर।
but COVID-19 does not know who is the VIP or who is the normal person.
I don't know, but we know that we could be affected by it, so we have to do by our the thing that we can do.
ये तो वही बात है, तुम्हारा कुत्ता कुत्ता, हमारा कुत्ता टॉमी।
उनको हम रोक तो सकते नहीं ऐसे, आप सीधा जाके खुद को रोक सकते हो तो वो करना चाहिए।
उनकी जो मर्जी होगी वो करेंगे।
वो हमारे थोड़ी
कॉलर
सुनेंगे,
ट्यून पे
हमें उनकी सुननी पड़ेगी।
कॉलर ट्यून पे 100 करोड़ के वैक्सीन की जगह मास्क और 2 गज की दूरी ही सही थी।
Actually, because after the new caller tune of 100 crore vaccinations, people thought that COVID-19 has gone, or now we are immune to it. It has no effect or any adverse effect on us.
Still only 25 to 30% of Indians have the total second dose, or most of them has only single dose or no dose.
Yes, I agree with you.
दिल्ली सरकार लेकिन कुछ अच्छे काम भी कर रही है, जैसे अब लगभग नौकरी चली गई बहुत जनों की, तो वो 11th और +2 के बच्चों के खाते में उन्होंने 2-2 हजार 1-1 हजार रुपए डाले हैं कि तुम जैसे कुछ अपना बिजनेस करके देखो। अब सुबह ही देख रहा था मैं, तो जूस की रेडी वगैरह ऐसे स्टॉल लगाए उन्होंने और वो सेल कर रहे हैं। भाई हम कुछ डेवलप करना चाहते हैं, अगर हम नौकरी चली भी जाए ना तो कुछ कर सकते हैं।
हमारा
And
मा-
no job is small, and everyone can't get white collar jobs. So everyone should respect.
your mic is off, Aman. हमारा माइंडसेट ही ऐसा बना है, जब तक कोई बताएगा नहीं या करके नहीं दिखाएगा मैं समझेंगे नहीं उस चीज को। एक्चुअल में हर चीज आजकल ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल है, कुछ भी सीख सकते हैं हम, खुद जाकर देख सकते हैं हम। बट हमारा वही रहता है कि जब तक कोई बताएगा नहीं हम कुछ करेंगे नहीं, जब तक हमें तो पता ही नहीं था, हमें किसी ने गाइड नहीं किया। आजकल किसी को गाइडेंस की जरूरत है नहीं एक्चुअल में।
Also for guidance, I think Delhi government has started 1 minute counseling. You can call at this number, either as a counselor or as a student or uh, graduate, and you can ask for help regarding your career, about what you should do, what courses you should adopt, and like this like stuffs.
We can actually explore or these things on internet also, as some people are introvert and do not find it comfortable to talk with others
But
about their
internet,
life.
there is also several opinions over crossing each other. So one
Also on
personal
call you will
counselor.
get clashes also in on call also. The physical counseling we attend, we get classes there also. Like if you attend a particular brand or company's counseling and another's, they both are opposite sometimes. It's common, it's natural thing. Not everyone has the same mindset. The thing you are teaching me may be wrong for me, or my wrong thing is maybe right for you.
That's quite true.
और जो गवर्नमेंट की बात थी कि पैसे डाल रहे, गवर्नमेंट तो देखो दोनों चीज करेगी वो। अगर अच्छा काम करेगी तो अच्छा करते हैं, लेकिन थोड़ा सा गलत करते हैं तो उस पर गलत भी पूरा करते हैं। फिर गवर्नमेंट के ज्यादा डिपेंडेंट, वही चीज सीखनी थी ना गवर्नमेंट से, सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट होना। ये नहीं होना कि जब तक वो, अगर वो कर रहे तो हम भी क्यों करें, हम भी क्यों ना करें। ये चीज सीखने की थी।
बस आज के लिए बहुत।
Yeah, I think the conclusion is that we have to become self-dependent and explore the all the stuffs like related to entrepreneurship and passive income, our investments, and our work-life balance, and most importantly, our family. That should be given preference. And the COVID-19 has taught this thing in a harsh way, I think.
Also the power of habits, the habit we developed previously and now we are developing. It also taught the value of habits. If we are doing, our habits are actually productive, then we can't get much affected from these things. Like if you are, your hobbies, or you like to work out, you get fit, you read books, you get eat good things rather than junk food, your lifestyle will be better actually.
It has shown that कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है and be ready to face the challenges.
फ्यूचर रेडी होना सिखाया है। फ्यूचर में कभी भी कुछ हो सकता है, उसके लिए रेडी रहना चाहिए। किसी की वेट नहीं करना किसी की कोई और हेल्प करेगा।
यस, इंट्रोड्यूस आवर सेल्फ विथ आवर सेल्फ है। इसने हमको खुद को मिलाया, हम क्या कर सकते हैं क्या नहीं कर सकते। हम अभी बहुत टाइम मिला अब तो भाई, क्या कुछ करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, क्या अच्छा है क्या बुरा है।
लॉकडाउन में काफी मी टाइम मिल गया था हर इंसान को, खुद से बात करो, खुद को जानने का, सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन वगैरह, किस चीज की हमें
बहुत सी
हमें क्या
नई चीजें ट्राई की है।
नई हैबिट्स हॉबीज वगैरह भी डेवलप हुई काफी लोगों में लॉकडाउन से, जो एक्चुअल प्रोडक्टिव भी बनाती है इंसान को उस टाइप की। So now I would like to end this session. If anyone wants to say anything, they're free.
Thank you, everyone. This GD was very informative. I'm very happy to be a part of this.
So it was a great session. Now I'm ending the GD.